All right, so the first thing I noticed with this one, so this is basically like number 12, it's just a little more complicated. First thing I noticed is there's a coefficient up front. That -2 is going to do two things. Well, first, the fact that it's negative means it's going to be upside down shape as opposed to the conventional absolute value function. So at this point, I can already eliminate A and D. Now it's just between B and C. Um, an integer out front like that is going to make it narrower. Okay, so a fraction out front would make it look like B. So we're really locked on C. The number on the inside is going to move it left 1. The number on the outside is going to move it up 8. But again, that -2 is going to make it narrower and open down. Again, making an XY chart would be a way to go. Even another way would be just to graph it. So if you have a graphing calculator, it's as simple as just typing in the equation and checking out the graph sheets. I'm not actually going to do that on the video, but if you were to type in that equation in the graph, in a graphing calculator, whether it's one you have on, handheld, should be under math tools, there should be a calculator there for you to use. You'll see that it would be C. All right, so let's just erase all that, type C and go on. All right, so this one's asking for x-intercept. All right, so type in ordered pair and use commas to separate it. So let's zoom in. So it looks like it's crossing at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. So it looks like it's crossing at -5, and then it looks like it's crossing at 1, 2, 3. So it says to use ordered pairs. So when I type in my answer there, the first x-intercept is -5, 0. Since I'm putting in more than one answer, you need to put a comma down in between. And then the other one was at 3, 0. All right, so let's check our answer on that. That's good. And then I'm assuming the next question is going to be y-intercept. So again, zoom in a little bit. It's crossing the y-axis here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that ordered pair would be 0, 6. There's only one y-intercept, so I only need to type one of them in. So that would be the ordered pair 0, 6. If you just typed in 6 as opposed to the ordered pair 0, 6, it's gonna mark it wrong. Okay. Let me know if you have other questions.